Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the timeless wisdom in The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, a book that has transformed generations. In ancient Babylon, wealth was a way of life, and we can learn its secrets right now. But before we dive in, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to join us on this journey. Grab your financial compass because we're about to explore the riches of this book. Published in 1926, The Richest Man in Babylon remains relevant, offering financial lessons from a thriving Babylon over 4,000 years ago. George S. Clason presents these principles in captivating parables set in Babylon. Clason's book has profoundly impacted countless lives by teaching valuable lessons on money management, financial discipline, and wealth building. These principles are the foundation of financial success, as applicable today as they were then. In this video, we'll explore the book's features, its alignment with modern financial principles, and how it addresses common financial challenges. By the end, you'll be equipped with actionable knowledge to improve your financial future. Now, let's explore the standout features of The Richest Man in Babylon. Timeless wisdom. This book offers timeless financial lessons through parables set in ancient Babylon. Practical advice. Clason provides actionable advice on budgeting, saving, and investing. Memorable characters. Characters like Arkad share their wealth-building experiences. Easy to understand. Clason's storytelling simplifies complex financial concepts, making it accessible to all. Universal principles. The financial principles discussed are universally relevant. Transformational potential. Applying these lessons can transform your financial future. A path to prosperity. It's about lasting prosperity through smart money habits. The book aligns with modern financial principles, advocating paying yourself first, making your money work for you, compounding interest, and avoiding debt. It addresses common challenges. Debt. Prioritize debt reduction and avoid borrowing beyond your means. Overspending. Create and stick to a budget to live within your means. Lack of savings. Prioritize saving as non-negotiable. By implementing these tips, you can overcome financial challenges and build a secure future. This journey through The Richest Man in Babylon is just the beginning. Apply these principles today, and remember, your financial success is within reach. Share your biggest takeaway and how you plan to apply it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.